Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're fine and fit. So today we'll be learning a new topic. So let us see what is a new topic and new concept. So today we'll be learning how to divide a line segment into two equal halves. So before learning how to divide a line segment into two equal halves, first we should know what is a line segment. A line which has two endpoints is called a line segment. And don't get confused between line and line segment because line has no endpoints but a line segment has endpoints.
So to divide the line segment into two equal halves, we'll be requiring a scale, compass, pencil. That's all. Two sharp pencil you use it because measurements become difficult for some issues if it do not get exactly accurate. So now I'm taking a equal uh, drawing a line segment of any measurement. My line, you may be thinking that it is slanting, but due to some photography issues my camera is not properly means standable, so you will be seeing that my line segment is not properly drawn, but it is drawn properly. So what we have to do, we have to take the measurements from more than half of the lines, means the measurement. If you are taking 9, take more than 9.5, 4.5, sorry. Then you cut an arc at top and again an arc at bottom from one end with the same measurement. Put the needle here, cut an arc here and cut it here. You are seeing that both the arc we have cut from here, from the up, and from this side of the up meets at this point, and down here it meets. So what we'll be doing, we'll be joining it. You can do dotted lines, you can draw straight lines, it's upon your wish. Okay, so we can name it as A, B, C and D. So let me confirm what was the measurement and did it came equal half or not. So I have taken the measurement of 7.123. I have taken. So if we divide 7.3 by 2, we'll get 3, 6, 1.3. Then you by 6 you will get, you have to put a decimal. Okay, then 12 and 0. By 5 again equal 1. You have to do the rough calculation at side, but since my camera won't be properly visible at the side, so I have done here. So it should be, we all know when the decimal second place is more than 5 or 5 or more than 5, we add 1 here, so it becomes 3.7. So let us see, did our measurement came 3.6 also it will work, and 3.7 also it will work. Mine came 3.6, no issues. This 5 can be omitted also, no problem. Mine came 3.6, so it will be right. Okay, so no issues regarding that. Okay, so 7.3 centimeters. You can write the steps of construction like that, that we have drawn a line segment of 7.3 centimeter. Then we have cut an arc from point A at point C and point D. Again with the same measurement, we have put the needle at B and cut the arc at point C and D. Then we have seen that both the arc meet at point one arc, both the arc cut from A and B meet at point C and D respectively. So we have drawn the line C and B through the mid of the cutting point or cutting arc, you can say. So that's it. You can try it more. It will be more comfortable for you.
So I think you have understood how to divide a line segment into two equal halves. If you have any confusion, you can inbox me in the comment section. And please like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, stay safe and stay at home.